Let's see how to connect and print with your Wi-Fi matrix printer on a Mac. First, open your browser and go to printernoble.com/td630 series. You can also get the link by scanning the QR code on the body of the printer. On the website, download the Mac driver. Locate the downloaded driver file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to begin installation. Click Continue to proceed. The installation window will appear. Click Install. When prompted, enter your Mac password, then click Install again to start the process. Once the installation is complete, click Close to exit the installer. Now, turn on the printer. Connect the USB cable to the printer and the other end to your Mac. If your Mac does not have a USB port, use a Type-C to USB converter. From the Apple menu, open System Settings. Scroll down and click Printers and Scanners. Click Add Printer, Scanner, or Fax to add a new printer. Select your printer from the list of available printers, and you're done. Restart your MacBook, or simply reconnect the printer's USB cable to finalize the setup. To test, open any document, select your printer, and click Print. Now you can easily print any document from your Mac using your matrix printer.